Week 5. Latin Cuisine, a flavorful approach to heart health. Welcome to Week 5, the final week of Mindful Diabetes Inc.'s series, Plant-Based Strategies for Health and Wellness. As we move forward in our culinary expedition, we embrace the vibrant and zestful world of Latin cuisine, carefully adapted to support heart health and aid in the management of diabetes and cognitive wellness. Week 5. Latin Flavors Crafted for Cardiac Care. In this chapter, we breathe new life into Latin American classics, ensuring that each dish brings a heart-healthy twist to the table. We dive into recipes bursting with fiber-rich beans, grains, and a medley of colorful produce, all aligned with nurturing a robust cardiovascular system and supporting brain health. These revitalized traditional dishes maintain their soulful essence while promoting physical well-being. Nourishing your heart with Latin-inspired eats. Smart choices for every meal. Our exploration this week is an ode to the art of crafting heart-healthy meals inspired by Latin cuisine. We'll guide you through selecting and preparing foods that resonate with Latin American culinary traditions while making conscious choices that benefit heart health. Emphasize nutrient-dense ingredients like avocado for healthy fats, quinoa for protein, and an array of spices that not only add flavor but also possess anti-inflammatory properties. Embark on this week's journey with us, where the excitement of Latin flavors marries the importance of heart health. Our series continues to demonstrate that with a thoughtful approach to eating, traditional Latin cuisine can be both delectable and supportive of your health goals, particularly in managing diabetes and preventing cognitive decline. Stay tuned as we provide you with the knowledge to transform Latin American culinary delights into staples of a heart-conscious diet. Let's savor each dish and celebrate the fusion of taste and well-being, one health-infused Latin meal at a time. Your Latin Cuisine Journey. Week 5 of Mindful Eating. Welcome to the 5th installment of our Plant-Based Strategies for Health and Wellness series at Mindful Diabetes Inc. This week, we take a flavorful dive into the essence of Latin cuisine, crafted with an eye towards enhancing diabetes management and boosting brain health. Embracing Latin cuisine for diabetes wellness. Latin cuisine, known for its bold flavors and hearty dishes, is also adaptable to a diabetes-friendly diet. We focus on vibrant dishes that are rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats, which can stabilize blood sugar and nourish the brain. Enjoy traditional Latin flavors reimagined to fit a healthful lifestyle, proving that managing diabetes can be as delicious as it is nutritious. Building a pantry with Latin flair. Preparing a pantry for Latin-inspired meals means making choices that are flavorful and beneficial for diabetes care. Heart-healthy grains. Incorporate whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, staples in Latin cooking that release energy slowly and maintain gut health. Proteins with purpose. Keep beans, lentils, and lean cuts of meat on hand for dishes rich in protein without the added saturated fats. A rainbow of vegetables. Stock up on a variety of fresh produce, including tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens for nutrient-packed meals. Fats that fit. Use avocados and nuts to get those essential omega-3 fatty acids that help with blood sugar regulation. Join us this week as we uncover the secrets to transforming Latin cuisine into a diabetes-conscious diet. Savor the culinary traditions that bring warmth to your kitchen while embracing recipes that foster wellness and cognitive clarity. Anticipate a week filled with flavorful recipes, mindful eating advice, and strategies for brain health, all inspired by the rich tapestry of Latin cooking. Together, let's continue our journey towards a deliciously healthy future, one Latin-inspired meal at a time. Your 2-day meal plan for a healthy diet. Day 1. Aromatic beginnings. Breakfast. Savor the morning with a bowl of oatmeal, enriched with spices like turmeric and cardamom for an anti-inflammatory kick. Top it with a handful of walnuts for omega-3s and a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar regulation. Lunch. Delight in a colorful lentil salad, served with whole wheat naan. Drizzle green chutney over the top for a tangy, herbaceous note. Dinner. Enjoy a heartwarming chana masala, full of robust spices and tender chickpeas. Accompany it with roasted cauliflower to add a satisfying crunch and extra nutrients. Snack. For a midday treat, indulge in strawberries paired with a refreshing twist of mint. Day 2. Flavorsome journey. Breakfast. Begin with overnight oats soaked in almond milk, sweetened with a drizzle of honey, and topped with fresh sliced strawberries for a burst of vitamin C lunch. Satisfy your midday appetite with a fragrant chana masala and roasted cauliflower atop a bed of fresh spinach, all wrapped in a soft whole wheat naan. Dinner. Unwind in the evening with creamy saag paneer, substituting paneer with tofu for a lighter touch. Serve this rich, spinach-based dish with aromatic basmati rice for a complete meal. Snack. Snack on a mix of orange slices sprinkled with chaat masala for a sweet and savory combination that will awaken your taste buds. Enjoy the harmonious blend of flavors and textures, and remember to savor each bite as part of your mindful eating journey. Savoring the richness of Latin cuisine, a celebration of Week 5. As we wrap up the 5th installment of our healthful eating series, we have immersed ourselves in the zesty and robust world of Latin cuisine. This journey with Mindful Diabetes Inc. has been about infusing traditional Latin American dishes with a mindful twist, aligning the vibrant flavors with our goals of diabetes management and preventive health. A blend of tradition and health, our Pathways to Wellness series has reshaped the narrative around Latin cuisine, showing that it can be both deliciously rich and beneficial for health. We have integrated whole grains, lean proteins, and a wide array of vegetables and herbs, highlighting the natural diversity and nutritional wealth of Latin American cooking. Innovative wellness in every bite. We commend the culinary creativity inherent in Latin cuisine, a testament to its capacity for innovation and its suitability for a health-conscious lifestyle. Dishes like heart-healthy ceviche, fiber-rich bean salads, and antioxidant-packed salsas showcase how traditional flavors can support modern wellness goals. Mindful Diabetes Inc. is committed to your culinary exploration, offering strategies to make Latin cuisine an integral part of your balanced diet. As we anticipate the weeks ahead, we look forward to guiding you through more flavorful adventures, always prioritizing your health and enjoyment. Let's continue to relish the delightful convergence of taste and health that Latin cuisine offers, making every meal a mindful step towards a fulfilling and vibrant life. Join us as we keep celebrating the spirit of Latin cooking, crafting a lifestyle where every dish is a feast for the senses and a boon for well-being. Looking ahead, let's carry the warmth and joy of Latin flavors into our kitchens and our lives, one healthful meal at a time.